Hi, I'm Aaron Dowd with Orchard Services, and I'm here to talk to you today about our creeping Vinca. This one here is really exciting. It can add a lot of color and fun to your landscape, or in this case to the pot. It adds some nice draping color and texture to it. It's a very low maintenance annual, meaning that it will die in the winter and it will not come back. Sometimes they'll reseed themselves, but this particular plant will die off and won't come back. There's also a ton of different colors that you can get from this one here. So this is a solid white. There's pinks and kind of reds. They're actually really dark, hot pinks, but to light pink. They even have kind of a purple color as well too, but you can have some real excitement with these guys. They're very low maintenance. They love to have moisture, but not too wet. This year tends to be a very wet summer for us here in Houston, and so some of the Vinca are struggling a little bit because of the amount of rain that we've received. But if you're having a typical year and it's not overly wet and you're not overwatering your yard, Vinca does really, really well. And the creeping variety, it'll stay about 8 to 12 inches off the ground, and it just kind of masses. It'll get to be about 2 feet across, so it really adds some great color to your landscape. The thing I love about annuals, it just adds so much more flowers than the perennials do. Perennials will tend to come back, but they don't tend to flower as much as the annuals. This one here right now, it's in a lot of shade, so it's not blooming as much as it could, but it's doing pretty well considering how much shade it's getting, and it just adds some great excitement over here. So have fun in your landscape and enjoy. Thank you.